will be all about Instagram pranks that is going worldwide, and you can see your display picture on someone else's story. So basically this is an Instagram sticker that comes along in the story, which is named as comments. So I don't have the sticker like you can see in my drawer, but however in the right hand side you can see a sticker named comments. So it's more or like similar to questions, so the layout is almost similar. However, in the questions your profile DP will be appearing, however in the comments the DP of the person who is viewing the profile is appearing. So people are pranking by, like, they are basically using the comment sticker and hiding the type in area with something they are written, like this is the useless person or whatsoever. So this prank is going worldwide, and right now we do not have any clue like when the feature will be rolled out to us, as it's in the beta from 2019 September. So let's see when we'll have feature like this in our Instagram and we can also prank our friends. Thank you so much for watching Technik India. Please subscribe my channel, like video and share to everyone.